Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to wire transfer to Kraken, and this is going to be a full guide. First you want to sign in to kraken.com, okay, then come here and select deposit near the bottom of the home page, and then you just want to go ahead and search for US dollar, click on it, right, or any other currency you want. I'll choose US dollar, and then right here what you need to do is you want to choose fund manually, then select whatever bank you want. For example, we'll do FedWire, right, for the deposit instructions to appear. Now here, this will go ahead and allow you to sign into whatever your bank account is, right? So go to your online banking platform. For example, this one is Chase. Go ahead and sign in, and now from the pay and transfer menu, select wire money. Okay, then you can click on add a recipient right here, and they may ask you to enter activation code in order to add a new recipient. Just verify the last 4 digits of your phone number and whether you want to confirm via voice or text, and come here and click on next once you have confirmed that. And once you receive the code, enter it in this box, click on next, and now here what you can do is you can select the bank country, enter the bank routing number, then go ahead and click on next. Now here, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and enter and verify the recipient's, account number for Kraken customer bank account. Okay, I want you to note that the address that, for example, Chase autofills is different than the one listed in your Kraken deposit information. Okay, just ignore this address discrepancy as long as you have entered the correct routing number. And then finally, you can enter information for Kraken that you gathered in the first step I showed you, and this includes the message to recipient field, okay, where you will enter your Kraken account unique reference code. Okay, once you're done, click on next, and then just come here and verify that all of the information is correct, and then come here and click on add recipient. Okay, then what we'll be doing, guys, we'll be going ahead and creating a transaction. So we'll be doing a wire transfer. I will do this in US dollars, right? Select the account from which the funds will be transferred. Click on a schedule wire, do that, and then choose a wire recipient by clicking the radio button next to the recipient name. Okay, then go ahead and click on next to continue. Just enter information about the wire transfer, including the amount, the date on which the wire transfer will be sent, and a message to the wire transfer recipient. This is where you'll enter the reference instructions for the recipient's bank, right? Memo information, and then just click on next to continue. And after all is done, guys, all the information, make sure it's correct. Click wire the money here, and then click on next. And you should receive a message confirming that your wire transfer has been scheduled. And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Find Your Solution. And I'll see you guys in the next one.